Me and Chris are going in where I was yesterday where I killed that bird. Don't know where the rest of them are roosted, but they're probably not far. It's kind of raining a little bit. We're gonna get to walking back there and hopefully they gobble. Hey, let's try to sneak over towards that field edge. I think we got enough cover. They're either gonna fly into this next field or they're gonna fly into the private field. There's a big poplar tree. I wonder if they're in that one. He just flew out of that big tree. He went left. He's on our side. I mean, he might not be the only one. I don't know if we should move yet or not. We need to be up there. Yeah, I'm just afraid there's another one in that tree that will see us. He just gobbled on the ground, yeah. Alright, well, let's chance it and try to sneak up to this field edge. I thought he was in our field. This is the private field. This is our field up here. He was roosted on private in that big poplar tree. Another one gobbled further down. Okay. Yeah, they're all down that way. We can hunt those woods, just not this field. Yeah, there's two of them gobbling now. Sounds like they're in the woods. There's three of them. Did you hear that? I don't know if that other one got back with him or if there's another one I didn't know about yesterday. We just had a bird gobble back behind us. Like the way we came in from. That's probably that other one. We got 4 birds. Like that or double. If we don't double, we screwed up. Let's set up in here real quick. That behind us bird just gobbled again. He's in the field we started out on. But I know there's 3 down this way. Well, we got options. And maybe we should go to the edge of that field. It's so thick in here, it'll be like 15 yards before you see him. I was gonna say that. Yeah. But we got to be on top of this. We gotta leave 3 birds. But that was him, right? Well, we don't have to get to the field. We just have to get to where. On the other side of it. Yeah, other side of that, or maybe even sit in that thick stuff. Yeah, let's go. Before he gets too close. He's still over the rise. Let's go up to the field edge. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the field edge. He's not that far. He's just over the rise. Move while we can move. Here, get on that skinny poplar tree there. I'm gonna set back a ways. This bird ghosted us. I heard him gobble one time up on our side of the rise, and then that was it. It's like he took a look and left, or maybe he gobbled up a hen, I don't know. The other birds quit gobbling now down that way. At least three birds across this field here. That's where that bird went that Christmas set up on. Oh wait, there's more than three. There's two and then three at least. Yeah, we got the whole flock here. Yeah. Longbeards. That's the whole lot of them. Longbeards. Of them, they got their hands open. If they get below the rise, we're going to have to see. Right now we're kind of stuck. Is that three longbeards or two? Hold up, that's three. Yeah, I know. Three longbeards. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We're going down over where they're starting to go down on the rise, but let's go ahead and towards it. It is three longbeards, isn't it? He's gonna get hairy. He's are you gonna be able to shoot like that? You put your gun up with the tree. The gobbler's looking over the rise. You can be careful up here so it's like that. You won't even see it at the top of their head. They'll touch you moving that way. What you got? Should be here. Birds are out in the next field. We're trying to get up in that gap without them seeing us. And we're going to post up in these woods with a little bit better cover. We got ahead of them, but I don't see them. They may have turned and gone the other way or over the rise or something. We may leave them alone and come back to them. We're going to keep sneaking around in the rain. We are going to try to find us a laundromat in town. Try to get everything dried up, halfway dried up, soaked to the bone. Don't want to leave these birds. Want to wait till it quits raining and then come back for them, kind of like I did yesterday. Well, we went into town, found a laundromat, got everything dried up, except my boots are still soaking wet. Went to Dollar General, got a whole case of socks. I'm on like my third pair and still haven't soaked up all the water in my boots. But anyway, the rain finally quit about 20 minutes ago. We're gonna ease back towards these fields where we last saw the birds, see if we can catch up with them. No sign of the birds yet. Can't get a gobble out of them. Haven't laid eyes on anything. We're gonna post up in some cover here and listen for a while. Maybe call once or twice. They just gobbled. They're down towards the property line. I just saw it hit. The birds gave us the slip again. I think they're on the neighbors. I'm not sure. We just saw two hunters came in the way we came in on the other end of the field. We're gonna try to get a look onto the neighbor's field, see if that's where the birds are, but there's really no telling where they are. If we don't see them in the field, they could be anywhere. They've just been popping out of nowhere. Well, we are gonna call it. I got too much to do this evening. Otherwise I'd try to roost him or shoot him coming up to roost, whatever. Another day, we'll be back after him.